Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to hot Louisiana. That's a shout out to Jesse Shield. If you like Eclipse videos, you've probably seen his, and he has a GSX just like mine, but that was a little playful thing towards him. So I'm getting the head back together. Well, actually getting the car ready for the head to go back together. Got it all disassembled. Got some new stuff to go on it. Got the nice cheap Felpro gasket that saved the bottom end on this last go around. Kind of all my crap still sitting around. I cleaned it up. This was the better version of what it looked like earlier. Got some more water wetter. That's good stuff. Oil filter. I'm doing a quick cheap oil change. The Walmart Super Tech stuff is actually really good for especially for like a quick oil change. I know this oil probably got contaminated, so I'm going to flush it. Got the block surface cleaned up. It doesn't really have to be perfect like if you're doing a multi-layer steel gasket or anything like that. There's the big old Terpsky. Not really that big, but big enough. So yeah, here's like all the kind of the disaster, all the stuff just laying everywhere. But let's see what else. Yeah, kind of got some stuff organized. That's the ARP bolts. You kind of want to keep those old when you're doing this. I think that's a thermal gasket for the intake manifold. Let's see what else. Okay, here we go. This is going to be my new alternator wire. Let me show you what happened. This is what caused the head gasket to blow. That wire right there, leading down. You have two leads coming from the wiring harness, and then it goes to a single wire that goes to the alternator. Somewhere in there, can't really see it, but in this area. And it burned up. That's what it did. It's burnt in two. So that's one thing to keep an eye on if you have an Eclipse running lean. Cost a lot of time and a lot of hassle to fix that. And could have been way worse. Could have ended the motor. Got some aftermarket GSC spring seats, which adds a little spring rate to the valve springs. Here's the old head. Didn't you say I need to do a better outro?
Yes.
What do I need to do? Should I show my nipple?
No. Isn't it like, alright, that's all for today. Peace out or something. I don't know. Not just, alright, that's it.
I don't do that. I just end the video usually.
Yeah, I know. You need to say something.
Okay. Kirk out.